give you the exercise for each dance with the choreographies. Okay, so we stay. So first of all, close your legs. Very important to get that closing right. So ankles together, toes apart. Now push them as a glue. Left leg straight, right leg is bent. Great. Just feel this closingness. And now release weight to the hip. Do 8 counts. 1, 2, put arm here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next one, you're gonna change weight, but with the really keep this knees together. Great. Now the same here. 1, bounce on your hips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep this right leg. When you're bouncing, feel like you're pressing through your shoulder into the heel, into the floor. Right. So staying, practicing on your groundless. And now change. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the rumba timing, we're gonna use your timing. And 2, and 3, and on 4, 1 a little bit longer, a little bit deeper. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Press down. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Excellent. And 2, keep going, and keep your ankles together. And 3, inside edge of the foot. Inside, yes, right, not just flat. Yeah. 3, and 4, 1. Excellent. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. So your feet together, knee brushing, using your tummy. And at the end, when you settle here, start to rotate, taking this hip back, rotation with the rib cage forward. This. So create this amazing diagonal. Now press this button. It's activate your tummy. 2, excellent. Put your arm here. Yes. And 3, and 4, 1. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. And 2, and 3, and 4. Now next exercise. Lift high hip, neutral, low. High, neutral, low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using your side muscle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your ankles touching. 1, 2. Excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do exactly the same. We're gonna add small element, a little bit rotation. As you're gonna lift, a little bit circle with your hip, and as you go down, circle with your hip. But same weight, leg on the same weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change leg through the tummy with the chest. And again, the same here. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low with rotations. High, low, high, low. Excellent. High, low, high, low, high, low. Now open your legs, heels together, torso back, straight legs. Now figure 8 type of motion. Quick, and on slow, you're gonna point your right toe, right. Quick, arm here, quick, slow, excellent. Quick and quick, slow, excellent. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick and slow, excellent. Next one, time step. Together, and side, excellent. Together, and side. Quick, slow. Quick and slow. Now backward walk. Backward walk should always, when you do back basic, feel like a small body wave. Quick, is it this way? Yes. Quick, side step. Slow into the hip, and quick with a small hip action here. Hip circle. Quick, excellent. Slow. A little bit body wave on the back. Quick, slow, excellent. Quick, let's go backward, slow. And now, quick, slow, quick, yes, quick, and brush your legs here. Slow. Every time leg passing through very tight brushing position. Quick, and brush, straight your leg, slow. Every time you arrive on the walk, you arrive very high. We call it over the leg, and then we release weight, release hip into the leg, over, into, over, into, over, into. That's right. Over, into, and then we pass. Over, into, past. Quick, slow, and quick, slow. And this time we go all the way back, and quick, and slow, all the way backward. Quick, and slow, quick, slow. Now next one, a little bit crosswalk. So you practice brushing and correct hip twisting. Step, and now from here, see, releasing hip, shoulders start to turn, leave this leg behind, and step, and slow. Keep this arm to the side like this, right? And quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. Excellent. Now next one, let's check connection. So connection is always going to be, stay this way to the camera so you can see it. Yeah, like a small wall, tummy in, straight legs, stay towards me. Just feel each other weight in the middle. And we just move side to side, feeling each other here, right? Then we go steps, quick, slow. Just feel me with you. Quick, slow, quick, slow. Now the same if I put my arms here, it's the same feel. You're just gonna use this like a table to raise yourself. Quick, slow, finish back leg. Couple twist, and quick, and slow. Finish back leg, high hip. Yeah, connect to your partner. And quick, slow, quick, and slow. Very good. This is a basics. Let's go through our simple choreography, but using similar way of thinking. And quick, slow, and hip twist. Try to push this knee, right. Go into fan position. Quick, slow with arm style. Great. And quick, slow. Give me arm. Yeah, lift your hip. Excellent. Straight leg. And quick, slow. Excellent. Reach to the sky. Good. Quick, slow. Spot, turn. Quick, slow, and quick, slow. Now swivels. Quick, and slow. So here I have to almost like a stop. Excellent. Quick, slow. Close your legs, go down. Quick, slow. Reach. And very fast turns. Quick, slow. Pace your partner, right? And quick, slow. Keep that arm style and body work. Quick, slow. Very good. Spiral and into Aida. Quick, slow. Hip actions. Quick side point, slow. And spot and turn, slow. Quick, slow. Excellent. Into crab walk, slow. Quick, slow. And we start over from the beginning, slow. And quick, slow. And quick, into the fan position. Very good. So for cha-cha-cha, similar thinking for cha-cha, just a little bit timing is different. So we're going the same ideas, ankles together, toes apart, using your tummy, using your chest, body actions. I'm here, going. And 2, 3 with the chest. Cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, 1. Excellent. 2, 3, cha, 1. And last time, 2, 3, cha, 1. Side to side. You see, I'm never changing my hip right away. I always go through the body. Body and hip. 2, 3, cha, 1. Point the foot. 2, 3, cha, 1. Excellent. 2, 3, cha, 1. 2, 3, cha, 1. Time step. 2, 3. And remember, when we do cha-cha now, smaller step, cha, bigger on the side. 1, 2, 3, cha, 1. Basic. And 2, 3, smaller step, cha, bigger on the 1. And 2, 3, smaller step, cha, bigger on the 1. Lock step, forward and back. 2, 3, smaller step, cha, bigger step. 1, always is going to be rib cage, then hip, and 2, 3, small, small, big, small, small, big, 1, and again, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Now your arm style for the 3 leg steps. Let's do this exercise. Swing your shoulders as much as you can, right? And now swing that arm out and this arm to me. Boom. Cha, 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 cha. Swing. Cha, 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 cha. Excellent. Zoom. And swing, and swing, and swing. Excellent. So let's go with the connection a little bit. A couple exercises, the same as in Rumba. So we connected here, right? Feeling each other weight, spine weight, and we just quick, 2, 3, go on me forward. Cha, cha, cha. Stay with me always. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Regardless what we do, we always try to stay connected. 2, 3, excellent. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And let's do now our choreography with these basics and with these connections. Yes. Start like this, right? Chest up, connected. And we're going 2, 3, basic. Quick, quick, 1, 2, 3, quick, quick, 1. Now on the spot turns, number 1, stay connected. Number 2, keep your elbow here, right? And 2, 3, excellent. Cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, swivels. Chick, 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 4, and hold. Tap, tap, and 4, and 1. Turn, 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 turn. Cha, cha, 1. Excellent. 2, 3. Swing your arm behind. Cha, cha, 1. Cha, cha, 2. Cha, cha, 3. Side steps. Cha, cha, cha. Use hip action. Cha, cha. Swing, swing. Shook, shook, shook. 2, 3. Cha, cha. Excellent. 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1. Repeat the same from the other side. Cha, cha, 1. And 2, 3. Swing your arm. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, 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 side step, cha, 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 side step, cha, 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 twist, twist, tweet, 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 chick, chick, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Yeah, and here, spot turn, darling. Yeah, 2, 3, small, small, big, and stretch. 4, and 1, and again, 2, 3, 4, 1. Forward walk, 2, close leg, 3, twist, 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 back, front, cha, 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 and walk. Walk from beginning, from here. Excellent.